In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable overlay scroll bars in Google Chrome. Overlay scroll bars offer a sleeker, less intrusive way to scroll through web pages, allowing for a clean browsing experience. These scroll bars appear only when needed, giving you more screen real estate. Let's dive in and walk through the process to manage these settings on Google Chrome. First, you'll want to open Google Chrome on your computer. Once it's launched, direct your attention to the address bar at the top of your browser window. There, type in chrome//flags and hit enter. This command takes you to a page where you can manually adjust various experimental features that aren't available by default. It's a powerhouse for those who enjoy tweaking their browsing experience. On this Chrome//flags page, you'll see a search bar at the top. Type in overlay scroll bar into this search bar. This will filter the numerous features and quickly bring up the option we're looking for. It's designed to make the whole process a breeze and keeps things straightforward. When you see the overlay scroll bars option appear, you'll notice a drop-down menu beside it, currently set to default. Click on this menu, and you'll see a list of choices, namely enabled and disabled. If you wish to activate the overlay scroll bars, select enabled. Conversely, choose disabled if you want to revert to the traditional scroll bar style. It's important to make the selection based on what feels right for your browsing needs. You're in control here. Once you've made your choice, you'll notice a blue button labeled Relaunch at the bottom of the browser. It's crucial to carry out this step, as Chrome needs to restart to apply the changes you've made. Click on it, and your Chrome browser will close and reopen automatically. Don't worry about your open tabs. Chrome will restore them exactly where you left off. After relaunching, take a moment to explore some of your favorite websites and observe the change in scroll bar behavior. If you've enabled overlay scroll bars, they should now elegantly appear when you start scrolling and quietly disappear when not in use. This setting can always be adjusted again if your needs or preferences change. In summary, customizing your scroll bars can enhance your browsing significantly, offering a minimalist and distraction-free environment. It's one of those subtle changes that can make a big difference in your daily browsing. Feel free to explore other experimental features in the Chrome/flags page to find more ways to optimize your browsing. Now that you've seen how easy it is to manage this setting, you can experiment with overlay scroll bars as you enjoy surfing the web. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides and tips.